Hello everyone, welcome to BN304 Industry-Based Project 2. I'm Mohamed Manzoor and today I'll be walking you through today's presentation. So the project given to us is Kids SafeWay IoT device. In the first half of the presentation is going to be the ideas and implementation, and the second half is going to be the video demonstration followed up by conclusion and future work. So these are our teammates starting from Harpreet Kaur, Anuki Fernando, Sugat Dangal and Keshav Adhikari. So these are our client details. The company name is BRR Technologies. We got the company address and company profile. The client name is Muhammad Al Khalili, and we've also got his email down there. And this is our content starting from client requirement. Then we go to project domain and objective, project requirement analysis, block and information flow diagram, research questions, plan and design, step-by-step procedure, equipment use and limitations, followed by conclusion and future work. So the client requirements are pretty simple. So we have been asked to create a tracking device using Arduino and GPRS Shield. The device should be small and lightweighted. It should be having a long-lasting battery. It should be inexpensive to the manufacturer, and it should be easy to set up without taking much time. And the parent should receive a live locational link with the cellular network. And this is a project domain. So as we know, in the fast growing generation, a lot of kids are facing issues regarding their safety when they head outside home. So we focus on the issues faced by small kids, which are road accidents, kidnapping, and harassments. A lot of accidents occur during school hours, which increases the risk for school kids on the way back to school or home. So parents are really concerned about the kids. And this is our project objectives. So the main objective is to design and implement a tracking device to monitor the journey of kids back and forth from home to school. An accurate implementation is needed on building the kids safety IoT device with features like live locational information through SMS and also emergency alerts. Locational information can also be accessed by the guardian with the help of a GSM cellular network. So by the end, we'll be ready with an error-free structured device, which should give us an accurate location.
So now we'll discuss about the project requirement analysis and specifications, where we can see all the equipments that we use to build the device and the connection in between them. So we can see the Arduino Uno board is connected with the battery to get the power supply. Then it is connected to the GSM to the GPRS shield, where we have the embedded GPS and the GSM module. The GPS module is getting the locational information from the antenna, which is getting the information from satellite. And the GSM module is used to send notification to parents on their device so that they can access their child's location. We have a SIM card in the GSM module where the parents will send a message to the SIM card number like request REQ. So it will reply, the SIM will reply back with a link which will redirect parents to the Google Maps, and they can see where their child is at that point of time. So now is our information flow diagram where we can see the working mechanism of our device in a sequential manner. So we can see the Arduino device notifies in-home fragment of notification services that triggers the location services to get the data. Then the data is sent to the server that can be accessed by parents on their mobile device in the form of text in the notifications. And as I told, like they can send the message and get the information.
So now we will be taking you through research question. We have got 4 research questions. The first one is about working mechanism. It is about modification and programming that is done on the sensors and module for collecting accurate data from them. The second research question is about precision in location tracking with comparison with the cellular connection and the device failure, how we can get a precise in location. And the third one is compatibility and connection with the modern devices like Android phone, Apple phone, and then other computer devices. And the fourth one is about device durability. This is about the selection of embedded sensors and batteries so that our device can last for the longer time period. Project plan and design is the main part of our presentation. So in this one, we have got Arduino UNO board in the figure and GPRS Shield 5320A module. So GPRS Shield is a device which has got both GSM and GPS module embedded in it. They have got serial connection to communicate with each other. So these two modules are powered by 5-volt battery supply. When GPS module collects the location, it forwards it to the GSM module, which is then sent to the parent's mobile phone in the form of Google Map link with the help of Telstra network. So second part of project plan and design is our conceptual design. So in this one, we have got server. The server will be accepting the location which is collected by the GPS module, and then it will be forwarded with the help of GSM module, which is embedded in the shield. Moving forward, we will be showing you our demonstration video, how the device is running and how we get the output.
This is our setup. We have the Arduino Uno board, the serial port and the GSM module here. We'll be using 4 jumper cables to connect the Arduino Uno board to the GSM module. There will be 2 antennas. One is for GSM and the other one is for GPS. These jumper cables are the ones which brings the connection from the Arduino Uno to the GSM module. The red one is for 5-volt connection. The black jumper cable is for the ground connection. The blue color one is for the TX connection. White one is for the RX connection. So the Arduino Uno board and the GSM, they will receive power. I will be switching on the GSM module. This is the coding for the Arduino Uno. The parent will request the location from the child using this number. The message received will be in form of, please get the location of the child from the link below, and the guardian will receive the link from Google Maps, which will be giving the accurate location of the child, indicating the latitude and the longitude. Yes, that's all for our coding. This is the coding. So I will be opening the serial monitor. All right, sending the request message to the Arduino Uno to locate the child. The GPS signal will be locked. The latitude and the longitude of the location is displayed here. The mobile device will receive a link to Google Maps. This will be the location of the child.
So that was our video presentation, where video demonstration, where you can see we're getting the response in form of GPS location in the parent's mobile phone. So now we'll talk about step-by-step procedure.
There are mainly 4 steps involved in this process. On the first step, Arduino Uno board is connected to the GPRS shield. On the second step, Arduino Uno is connected to the 5-volt battery source. On the third step, Arduino Uno board is connected to the computer and coding is done using Arduino-based software development platform, that is Sketch. And on the fourth step, testing is done to test whether the device is working or not. These are the list of equipment that we are using in this project. The first one is Arduino Uno REP3. This is a microcontroller we are using in this process. And the second one is GPRS shield. This has embedded GPRS and GSM module. which will be very helpful in sending the position of the children to the parents. And the second one is micro SIM. And we can see the list of equipment like connecting wires, USB cable, and 5-volt battery in the picture.
Yes, so there are also limitations such as tracking is extremely difficult in bad weather conditions, such as heavy storm and during rainy seasons. If you're traveling in a fast moving vehicle, the device communication will be lagging due to the lack of GPRS signal to the device. Moving on to the conclusion, kid safety is a major concern in the world. So we are implementing the Kid SafeWay IoT device to track the location of the kid. The final device will give the exact location upon the request sent by the parent or the guardian. The GPRS shield will help in sending the live location to their parents by a short message saying you will receive the location of the child by clicking the link below. This device will also improve child safety and most importantly, reduce the fear of parents. Arduino will be used as a microprocessor because it's cheap and convenient. Yes, on to the future works. The physical size and the dimensions of the device can be customized according to the user demand and user requirements. Additional features such as heart rate calculation, temperature, these all can be embedded in the device to bring additional value to it. As an option, we could also install an emergency button, and the device can be made much compact. Thank you. Any questions?